everyone, I'm Young from Sewing My Gallery. Welcome to my online workshop. I'm a sewing teacher with 8 years of teaching experience. In this project, you will learn to do this patchwork pillow by using straight lines. Patchwork is recognized as a form of art throughout the world. The reason that I love sewing patchwork is because it can bring us a lot of possibility and creativity in it. In these online courses, you will get to learn the basic and fundamental skill about patchwork and quilting. You can create it by your own desire. Unlike what you will get from the markets, it's unique and unreplaceable. Even with zero knowledge about sewing, I can ensure that at the end of the class, you will get to complete this wonderful patchwork pillow. I will teach you from the very basic until that you are familiar with it. I hope to inspire more people to join in the sewing industry, to break the tradition of what people normally think that sewing is only for the older generation. Hope to see you in the class and let's learn together.